Be ready. Start. Sir, this is the 10th report that has come before the Honorable House for its comments. Stop. We are aware, sir, that on previous occasions certain matters were discussed, and I am very happy to find that the UPSC have acknowledged the full cooperation which the ministries and the departments have given them in carrying out their duties. So far as the present report is concerned, it has mentioned certain circumstances which have to be looked into very carefully. It has also pointed out certain difficulties in getting the full strength from recruitment. It has also pointed out certain irregularities. Lastly, only in one case out of 1500 that has been referred to the UPSC, there had been a difference of opinion and the government had to depart from their advice and take action on the lines that have been pointed out in the memorandum. Thus, you will find, sir, that there has been the fullest measure of cooperation from the government, as they are anxious that the views expressed and the recommendations made by the UPSC should receive the fullest respect, and that as far as possible they should be implemented. Sir, in the course of the report, they have pointed out that in certain cases they find it difficult to make recruitment. They have mentioned 3 cases. One is with regard to the scheduled castes and tribes. You are aware, sir, that in respect of the scheduled castes and tribes, whenever there is to be direct recruitment, a certain percentage has been fixed. It is quite different in the case of All India Services. It is still higher in the case of other services that have to be dealt with. In all these cases, whenever there has been such a reservation, the UPSC have been requested to follow what are known as relaxed standard, provided they feel that after taking into account the relaxed standards, the particular candidate come up to the minimum prescribed qualifications. As the House is aware, the UPSC have been given this discretion and they have been using it quite fully, but all the same they have to point out, as they have done in this report, that there are occasions when the requirement or the quota that has to be filled so far as the scheduled castes and tribes are concerned does not come up. Full stop. Over.